Today we're going to learn Abstract Factory and we will know why, when, and how to use it. If we are planning to centralize object creation logic and also we want to create related objects without specifying their exact classes, then Abstract Factory can be a good option. And when we're going to use it, let's consider our previous solution. We sent email notification to the user according to user's preference. Now we're going to send emails according to emails type, like maybe there will be transaction notification, maybe there will be credit card payment notification. So user will prefer the notification medium, and if the transaction notification we want to send, then the header will be different. If the credit card payment notification is sent, the header will be very different. So we are going to solve it using Abstract Factory. Let's see. Now, in this coding tutorial, we're going to create an abstract class, which we can also assume that abstract products. From our previous slide, we have seen that we're going to create two email templates. One is for a credit card payment and another one is for regular transactions. So we are creating email header and email body, two abstract products. And in the second step, we're going to create the Abstract Factory interface, and we're calling it email template factory. So here my IDE is giving autonomous vibe coding. So it's giving its own name, but I'm changing it according to the necessity. So here we have created two methods. One is create header and another one is the create body. So now in the third step, we have to make the concrete products of those email header and email body. So for that, I'm creating transaction header, for which basically implements the email header. So here I'm giving the comment. Now, if we see transaction email header, which implements email header, this is a concrete implementation of previously created abstract products. And here is the transaction email header, which implements email header. And here it is. Now, if we see the email body, transaction email body also implements the email body. Here it is. Now it's time for creating transaction email factory. So this factory will create header by using transaction header, and also this factory will create body by using the email body, transaction email body. So when we will be sending a request for creating a transactional email body, it will create using this factory. So here is the class structure, transaction email factory. This is, Now we are going to create the credit card section. So we have to create a concrete implementation of email header for credit card email template. Payment email header, implement email header. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Now let me go for credit card payment email body, which implements email body. That is also fine. Now we have to go to the sixth step, which is email factory for credit card payments. So credit card payment email factory implements email template factory. That is also create header and create body. That will also be implementing it. Now we have to go for the seventh step. We are absolutely fine. Email template renderer. This is the client code. when we'll be sending email, we are just creating from the factory, creating the body, creating the header, and also here, hopefully that will work correctly. Yeah, now we can see the uses. Here how we are going to use this transaction email factory, just a new transaction email factory, and we'll send the mail. The mail will have the same header and body we need for a transaction email. And also if we just create a new instance of credit card payment email factory, then that is also sending a mail with a similar email header for a credit card payment factory. So if we just see the output will be, for the first one, this is the transaction email header and body. Yeah, fine. And for the second one, this is credit card. So this is how abstract factory design pattern is implemented.